Welcome, guys. Just wanted to record this message to kind of give you a feel for what to do today. So you should be essentially simulating the lab. I recorded several videos to help you see how the lab works and gave you one to help with calculations and things like that. Check out the hyperdoc that's on the assignment, and there are lots of links within there. The pictures on the hyperdoc are the links, and they'll take you to the various things that you'll need to complete the lab. What I'm expecting you to do is just sort of recreate the lab paper on your own paper and then submit it. Take a picture of it with your phone, take a picture of it with something, and then upload it to Canvas that way. If you have questions, please communicate with me through Canvas. I need all assignments submitted through Canvas so they're all in the same place. I'm hoping that this will feel a lot like it does in the classroom, just you're sitting somewhere else. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Shoot me a message through Canvas and I will get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Good luck.